This is my video for the turf toe taping. So I'm going to start out with my anchor pieces. So I'm starting off with one anchor on the big toe, and then I'll do another anchor on the foot, and then again try not to make this too tight so the foot doesn't cramp. And I'm using my 1.5 inch tape for that. And now I'm gonna grab my 1-inch tape and I'm gonna go anchor to anchor with my 1-inch strips. Smoothing out the tape as I go, connecting it from first anchor to the next. And then I'm going to lay another piece starting about halfway on my first piece, overlapping, going anchor to anchor again. And I'm going to continue to do this, going around the foot, laying halfway over the piece I just did, and then going anchor to anchor. And I'm going to do this until I make it to about the same point that I started. So doing the same process till I get to about the same point as I started the first one. So I'm finishing up my last one here, smoothing out the tape again. And then I'm going to tie those off with another strip over right where I placed the first anchor, and then sealing them off again over the where I had the first anchor. And now I'm going to do a couple crosses, which are called spica, and that's gonna just seal off the end. And that is my video for the turf toe.